to my channel. Today we are going to be learning how to make this AUTOGELE crunchy headband. This particular one was made out of AUTOGELE. Turn your AUTOGELE into this headband and you can do it yourself. This AUTOGELE came in plain and I added the stones to it. That's why it's sparkling. I'm also going to show you how I achieved that. Before we get into the part where I show you how to make this headband, I want you to please hit the like button and click the subscribe button.
You need your AUTOGELE fabric, tape roll, scissors, elastic, and if you want your AUTOGELE to also have the glittering effect, then you need your stones. This AUTOGELE, I already made use of it as a gele before, that's why it is already tailored. So I'm just going to cut out 45 inches by 12. Fold the main fabric into 2 and measure 2 by 4 on both ends. Draw a slant line and cut out. If you like the way the AUTOGELE is glittering, then you can follow this step. Pour your stones on the AUTOGELE, arrange them as many as you want. If you want it full, then put a lot. If you want it just scanty, then put little, then press with iron. Fold the main fabric into 2 and sew the side. For the inner fabric, measure 15 by 2 inches. I'm using a normal crepe material instead of the AUTOGELE material because AUTOGELE material tends to shed a lot. So measure 15 inches by 2 inches. This is what is going to help us achieve this crunchy effect. Pass the inner fabric inside the main fabric and squeeze the length of the main fabric to that of the inner fabric, just as I'm doing. Pin both ends together because you need to put this aside while we make the elastic band. For the elastic band, cut out 11 by 4 inches. About 7 inches, 6 to 7 inches of elastic will do. This rough edge, by the time you are done, you might choose to just trim it off or burn it. I just trimmed mine off because it is really well covered inside, so it's not going to shed again.
Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope it was easy for you to follow. If you have any questions at all, please drop